months away from SEMA 2023, and this is the announcement to start our journey to building probably the most aggressive projects that we're going to be displaying in our booth and at SEMA 2023. If you guys haven't guessed it, we have two out of those three C8s that will be full carbon fiber bumper to bumper, and we're going to take you guys on this journey to show you and display all of our work that we're able to equip these beautiful cars, meaning yes, we are going to strip them all apart and convert them to a full carbon fiber build. These cars are also pro-charged. They're pushing 700 horsepower plus as well, and I'm super stoked to take you guys on this journey with us, and time is ticking. Yes, that is correct. It is SEMA Crunch right now for Auto Addict USA, and we're super stoked to get started on this project. Without further ado, let's dive in and show you guys what we got right behind me and get started on this amazing project. If you guys haven't ordered your pre-order Euro Taillights C8 replacements, you guys gotta get on those. As you can see, this was the first car that we prototyped, and we have another prototype for our company car as well. Look at the murdered out and how well it blends in with our Euro Taillights. It's a must-have. Amber sequential turn signal, meaning from one end to the other. Reverse LED panels and LED panels for the LED nighttime running. It's a must-have product. It looks super stealth and aggressive on a blackout one, and as you can see, you got the mist red, super aggressive with the Euro C taillights. It is on pre-order, available on our website to purchase currently, and the Z06 bumper that we're gonna talk next right now. Alright guys, and if you guys haven't also seen on our Instagram page, we did announce our beautiful Z06 conversion bumper for the Stingray C8, meaning if you're a Stingray owner from 2020 till 2024 present year and you wish to get this aggressive bumper, it is available on pre-order with Auto Addict USA currently right now. We're super blessed and thankful to be able to provide more modifications for the Corvette community. As you guys know, we are crushing it in the Camaro industry right now for the 5th gen and the 6th gen, and to bring in the big brother on board is a huge opportunity for us to allow our customers to get our experience and services that we offer for this beautiful C8. But let's go over all the details on how we're going to start to assemble everything and get started on there. You guys heard it on YouTube first, it's official. We're going to take these two cars to SEMA 2023, and one of them is going to be an Auto Addict's booth, full carbon fiber. The announcement has been announced. We're ready to rock and roll. I'm going to get you guys some highlights of these cars. This will be the last time you'll see these cars nice and bright with the OEM factory bumper and paint and panels. And we'll get started tonight. Tonight is the night. It's time to go ahead and get crunching. SEMA crunch time, overtime hours, long weekends. We got to get this ready for SEMA and do a post-car show event at our headquarters in Anaheim, California. Super excited and stoked to you guys on this journey with us. Let's go ahead and get some B-roll, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.